In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add employees to the employees list in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or someone who's just starting with this incredible tool, you'll find that managing employee information is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure everything is as clear as possible. First things first, you need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Begin by navigating to the QuickBooks login page, and there you'll see the option to sign in. Ensure that you click on this to begin your session. It's always a good idea to double check that you're on the correct website to avoid any security risks. Once you're at the login page, select QuickBooks Online. By choosing this option, you're ensuring that you're using the cloud-based version of QuickBooks, which will allow you to manage your finances and employee information seamlessly from anywhere. With those preliminary steps out of the way, you will need to input your login credentials. Go ahead and type these in. Remember, keeping your credentials secure is crucial, so make sure no one else can access them. Once you've entered your information, continue by clicking the confirm button to proceed into your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, head over to the Employees tab. You'll find this in the main navigation menu of the QuickBooks Online interface. By selecting this tab, you're entering the part of QuickBooks that deals specifically with employee management, a convenient central hub where you can maintain all your employee-related tasks. The next step is to add a new employee. Look for the button that says Add an Employee and click on it. This action will open up a form where you can input the new employee's details. We start with the basics. Enter the employee's first name, then you will need to input their last name. Ensure that this information is accurate, as it will become part of the official employee records. After filling in the name details, proceed to add the employee's email address. This is essential not only for communication purposes, but also for sending pay stubs, tax information, and more. When you're ready, move on to inputting the hire date. The hire date is crucial for payroll calculations and other administrative matters. Finally, upon filling in all the necessary fields, click on Add Employee to complete the process. This action finalizes the entry, and you should now see the new employee listed in your employees list. And that's it, you've successfully added a new employee to your QuickBooks Online account. Remember, these steps are vital for maintaining organized and up-to-date employee records that can help streamline your business operations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.